right now it's freezing up here. Goosebumps all the way down the arms. Yes, I can hear you beeping and I don't know what that means. You know, I remember things like last time I went around that corner, I overtook a car that was white. It's strange how the mind works, especially mine. So we've got 6.4 kilometres of this. This is a long ride. Oh, don't do that. You see the way he's riding on the wet road? Yeah, no, don't do that. He's probably done it before and I'm sure he knows what he's doing. Ah, kids, stop acting like kids. I need to get this bike set up properly for touring. Still, I feel good. It's quite the ride. The streets are empty the day after Nyepi, but it's too early. Things are not open yet. That shop back there was, if you need a broom. I think I must have missed the shop. It's dust and pollution and asthma. It's not the C word. Well, yeah, this is it, actually. It's at the petrol station. And that's the shop. Very good. This place sells all of the, you know, the back boxes and stuff. And he's going to open it for me. Yeah, thank you. I've arrived at my destination. Yeah, so at the moment I've been doing this, which is pretty dumb. I'll tell you what, it's testing the skills. Because this has got edges on it, this cement, so if you come off, shit, which I just about did then, considering the sorts of roads I was dealing with, and, you know, just things, so you can get these big kick-ass back boxes. You can't really see that, can you? I'll wait till he gets here. And they have... Oh, it's open. Cool. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah. Sebentar, I'll just take my bag. Yeah, they're open for me. Isn't that great? Okay, thank you so much for this.
This is the scooter bag.
Oh. Oh, that's good. Does it stay on the bike?
Yeah,
You stick on and leave on.
Because this has a magnet on it.
Oh, it has a magnet.
Yeah.
So not sticker. Sticker?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Velcro, yeah.
So this is what is inside.
Yes.
This is the cover.
Yeah, fantastic. So let me try the laptop.
Yeah.
I have this because this is really the important one. So, bagusnya. Perfect.
Even if you have iPad, can put here.
Yes. I wonder if that would fit. No. This would be perfect because I have a lot of camera. So I'm a YouTuber, so
Oh, you can.
yeah, so I have cameras and all sorts of things. Yeah, it will be perfect. Thank you so much. And maybe later I'll get the box, you know. But
Yeah, here we have a lot. We
yes.
already have some customer who put drone inside. They choose this one.
Okay.
The 39.
Yeah, I had the drone, but I sold it.
For your motorbike.
This one. Yeah.
The shape look nice.
Yes.
Or if you prefer square, we have this for cylinder or.
Yes. Yes. And this you don't like? I like the carbon.
Yeah, this is similar. This is 34. This
Yes.
is 39. Same.
But once I've got this, maybe I only need the small on the back. You see, because I also have this.
Yeah, that's right.
So maybe I'll go. Perfect. I love it. Absolutely perfect. And this is fully waterproof. This one.
Yes.
Beautiful.
And
Beautiful.
The extra strap. To
Okay.
stick the bike
To do what?
to the bike. Then
Oh, can you show me how it works?
Yes. Okay, because this is the plug. Beside you put
Yes.
it there.
So can we put it on the bike? Like just example? Because I will clean first before we stick. But for now, maybe you can just show me how I can do it. This is great. I love it.
We put it here.
Yeah. So these.
So later this you just have to remove and put it here. Then
But
you
this
can-
one stick to where? Here?
Yes, yeah.
So what about this side? Must be lower, yeah? Because I have this.
Over here.
So this must be like that.
This is the extra strap if you can, but if you cannot, just put it there.
So it's just these two.
Yes, and
Only,
behind
yeah?
here. Behind
Nothing
you
here. And then you can put.
can- This is also here.
Ah.
Then you can connect here.
Yeah, perfect. And there's two of those. And this just for whatever, something else.
Yeah, this is universal, so maybe
Yeah.
other bikes fit.
Woo! It's perfect. I love it. Thank you so much, boys, because I wanted to bring all my everything
Yeah,
and see the size. Like, okay, yeah, now I can see. Yeah, so I'll pay you too. Yeah, yeah.
Do you have also extra charger for you?
Have what?
On the motorbike?
Have what?
You have the extra charger?
Oh, yeah, I have. Is there anywhere I can put it?
Because we have the
We have also this one.
Oh,
there. Can charge also. We go
Yeah.
on travel, put your phone here.
yeah.
Quite strong.
How do you?
Yeah. Here.
That can be installed for any motorbike.
So where could we put?
On the
We
left
put it
mirror.
here.
Oh, you put.
Then we connect to the battery.
Really?
Yes. It's for our bike.
To the battery. So you don't need the power.
No,
Oh, you need.
will connect to your bike.
Engine, you got the power for your phone.
So it's permanently charged with that and then. But can you do today or not today?
Not
Nah, we'll do it next time then. Yeah,
tomorrow possible.
yeah,
Yeah,
fantastic.
tomorrow also we open our.
Oh, you have some good ideas because at the moment I just have it here, the power supply, just in here, you know. So power bank, yeah. So I still use this, but you connect this to the battery.
Yes.
Wow, it's perfect. Okay, very exciting. You know, I go all the way to Medewi and I get lost in Badugul and the bag, I'm like on my knees and oh my gosh, it's crazy. Very good.
895,000.
Yeah. I'll give you cash, okay? Cash is good on Sunday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 9. Yeah. Tidak kembali. Just receipt. Tidak kembali. Yeah, terima kasih banyak. Thank you, boys. So helpful. So this is a motor adventure Bali, and they do everything
We
here.
are
High bucks.
official shop dealer in Bali, so we give you 2 years warranty for all the products.
Really fantastic, beautiful stuff. I'll definitely come back.
This is the helmet also.
Nice helmets.
Yes.
It's a better quality, huh?
Yeah, it's Nolan from Italy.
Wow.
And we have one more thing for health is come from Germany.
Really?
And this leather is made from the kangaroo leather.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, so it's like a hopping?
Stronger.
Yeah,
Inside
exactly.
there
So
can-
Australian kangaroo, but from Italy.
From Germany.
Germany? Ah. Is your boss a German?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you also have bintang, so that's very important.
25,000.
25,000. And these boys here, they can come and, I'll just talk to the camera. They can come and, you can come and hire a motorbike here for your travel in Bali, right?
Yes.
And it has all of the GPS and the rack or whatever you want,
Yes.
like that. I mean, not GPS, but phone holder
With the charger.
with a charger. Fantastic.
And not only in Bali, you can go also to the other islands.
We have in Yogyakarta, Labuan Bajo, and Maumere.
Ah,
You want to do one way, you can do.
you can do one-way rides.
Yes.
Wow, to Jogja and where else?
Labuan Bajo and Maumere in Flores.
Wow, okay. Flores. Cool. Okay, thank you so much, boys.